Hi, I'm John Cruz with Worldwide Auctioneers, and just want to share a little bit with you in regards to one of the highlights from the Chuck Morgan Estate Collection that we'll be offering in Scottsdale January 15th. My favorite car in the collection is a 1936 Auburn 852 Supercharged Boattail Speedster. They are my favorite car, but I really like that it's a 36 because there are fewer designated as 1936s. It's been fantastically restored. It's certified by the ACD Club. It has numerous awards and has been judged many times by the Classic Car Club of America. And one of the neatest aspects of this car is the color. You see a lot of red speedsters, but this is a wonderful, deep, darker red that stands out and is just different and uncommon from a lot of the other red speedsters. So this car is ready to go. It's got all the things that you want in a speedster, and it's being offered without reserve and will sell to the highest bidder regardless of price. So come on out to our sale in Scottsdale. If you're in the market for a speedster, this is a great option. If you didn't know you were in the market, you should come and look at it because this car might actually get you in the mood to own a supercharged speedster. We'll look forward to seeing you at the auction.